Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a new column to a table in the Google Docs app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Google Docs app. Here it opens up in Drive files. From here we just have to go into a document that we want to edit. And here it opens up like this. And we have to tap on the pencil icon in the bottom right corner. Then we have to tap on the table, and here at the top of the table we find this little line which selects the whole column, and then we can edit it. If we tap on this icon, we add the column to the right side of it, and if we tap on this icon, we add the column to the left side of it, as you can see here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.